The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wise County in north central Texas, western Benton County in north central Texas until 7:30 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Aurora, or 7 miles northeast of Pryor, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benton, Sanger, Decatur, Cook, Pilot Point, Houston, North Lake, New Fairview, Aurora, Point, Ray Roberts Park, County, Dubois, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Roman Brother. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 482. Interstate 35 west between mile markers 83 and 85. Interstate 35 east near mile marker 466. Please be moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.